it's Gabrielle Ishell here. I just wanted to say happy Black History Month to everyone. It is the 4th Sunday in February. Hey, we were supposed to wear our African attire at church, so I did. And before I take it off completely, I want to show you guys a couple of different ways that you can style your African wrap. So this is the first style. This is not how I wore it, but this is one that I was just playing with. I love it. It's like off the shoulder and it's giving a little bit of extra oomph over here. You can tie it, and I'll show you how I did it. I've worn this so many times, and each time I wear it a different way. So I was just playing with it before I took it off. And I'm like, this is a cool way to wear it. And I'm like, well, what if I do a video on ways to wear it? You see how big this thing is? It can go around my body like 3 times. But anyways, I am going to put this side over my shoulder. You can make it however you want, but I'm just gonna do it like that. And the thing is, you have to keep this long little tie outside of the wrap so that you can make sure that you actually have something to secure the dress with when you're done. So I'm gonna keep this out, and then going to bring my hand back here, pull the wrap around my body. So going to now put the final part of the wrap up here with this, going to do a little cross right here and then bring it around the back. You can either tie it in the back and make a cute bow, or you can bring it back around in the front. And I think this gives it more support. You can tie it on the side, or you can tie it in the front. You can also just leave it down like this, or you can actually tie it into a bow, which is what I did with my head. I just did a cute little bow up here. So this is the first one, a really cute off the shoulder dress. Okay, so for the next one, it's also gonna be an off the shoulder. So this one, I'm gonna start with it in the front and going to put this long piece over my shoulder. And then I'm going to take the rest of the skirt. I'm gonna make sure I pull it tight because there'll be a gap on this side. And then I'm going to, you could bring it under your breast and back around. And once again, you want to make sure this is outside of the wrap. So I'm going to bring the wrap around, and this is still outside. And then you want to obviously make sure that this is secure. I'm going to, in the back, connect these like this. Once again, you can tie a bow in the back, or you can bring it around to the front and tie it like that. So you see it's a little bit different. There's no, it's not like hanging off your shoulder. It's just a basic one over the shoulder dress, which I think is cute. This is how I basically wore it today. Super cute. Okay, now this is my favorite way to wear it. So we're gonna wear it just as like a regular strapless dress. Start off like this. Pull this right here. We're gonna pull the strap outside and then just wrap it around. And then I will tie it in the back. And then you have your strapless dress. And obviously I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt with it because it's winter time, but obviously you can wear this in the summer if you want, you know, with nothing underneath. And it's really cute. And I'll give you inspo right over here. But yeah. The next way is to wear it as a skirt. So there are 2 ways you can wear it as a skirt, or 2 ways that I wear it as a skirt. I'm sure there's plenty of ways you can wear this dress. Just wrap it. Once again, you want to keep the strap or the tie part out side of the wrap because you want to make sure that it's secure. So literally do that. And then you can tie it on the side like so, or you can move it so that this the edge part is somewhere else, wherever you like it. Maybe, yes, let's do it so that it is the other way actually. And it'll be towards the end. So I'm gonna flip it around and do it this way, where this one is gonna be over top. And then I'm just going to wrap it around the back, and then pull it back to the front. I really like having my bows in the front, if you can't tell. This is one way you can wear it as a skirt with a separate top. Cute. And lastly, we can, don't mind my hair, y'all, but let me just show y'all how I wrap the scarf. I just folded it in half twice and literally just put them around my head like a night scarf, and then made it a tie like that. And then just, fluff it out to your liking. Of course, I'm not gonna have a cute bow because I'm not standing in front of the mirror, but that's how you do it. But you can also use this part as a top. I think I've worn it like this too. Now you want to make sure it's secure. Luckily, I guess, I don't have that much going on up here, so mine will more than likely be secure. You can fold it, maybe not in half, but like a quarter of the way down. I'm trying to make it like a little crop top like this. And then you can tie, now this, you want to make sure it's secure. So I tied it a few times. I'll tie it in the back. And then I'll bring it to the front. And then I'm gonna tie it around, pull it tight. And then you could probably do safety pins with this, but to make it look a little, well, let's take it back. One, you can tie it in the back like this and make a bow in the back. That's always a choice. But you can bring it to the front like I was just doing. Tie it here, pull it tight, and then you can fluff it to make it like really cute, like tuck this in underneath, and then tuck it in up top. And then, of course, if I wear it like this, it's not gonna have a shirt underneath, but it's just for the sake of today's video. Okay, this is how it looks without the shirt underneath. I just thought I needed to do that since it's supposed to be a crop top. You need to see the croppage there. I thought this was super cute. Let me show y'all the shoes that I wore with this today. These are so cute. I've had them for over 10 years, but this was literally my first time wearing them. It's like a little lace print on the boot. It's a pointy toe heel and it has the shoe strings going up the front. There's a zipper on the inside. The heel looks like maybe 2.5, 3 inches. But this was super cute. I'll show you a picture of how I actually wore it today. Here, obviously feel free to have all the fun in the world putting together your outfit. You can find colors to pull from the dress. So there's like this, I don't know what color to call this, but it's like a bright, lighter blue. You can choose something from here. You can do a navy blue color, which is what I did with the shoes and the top that I wore underneath. You can do white, there's black, and then there's this mustard yellow. Another option that I was going to do today, if I didn't do the blue shirt, was going to be a mustard yellow sweater because it's still winter time. It's February, so you want to stay warm while also looking cute. So you can definitely grab colors from here, or if you want to be creative and grab something that's kind of out the box and unique, you can do that too. The sky is the limit. But just wanted to give you guys a few ways that you can potentially wear your dress or skirt. I know there are plenty more ways that you can wrap a dress, but I just wanted to show you some of the ways that I've been loving wrapping my dress skirt. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell to be notified whenever I post. Go ahead and share this out to all of your friends. I greatly appreciate it. And until the next one, bye. Happy Black History Month.